Hello everyone, now we are going to draw man-made object drawing. As an object, we are using Spice Masher. First we will observe the basic shape of our object. We can see it's a cylinder and it's below eye level. So according to that, we have to learn first basic shapes of our object. Then we will learn structure of our object. Then we will observe the depth of the object. Now we are going to learn second object basic shape. In front view, it's a circle, but according to placement we can see in oval shape. Observe complete angle of the object. Now we'll draw final drawing of the object. Observe it according to your eye level and draw it properly. Always take one light line to divide it in the two parts and make sure it should come similar to the both sides. Observe the placement of both objects properly. According to that, we have to draw the angles and placement. Draw all part of the objects properly. Once you complete your drawing, you start shading it. First, you can do the inner part on the top. You can see the depth of the object. According to that, you will get very dark portion inside it. How much dark you can feel on the object, according to that, you can use the pencil like 6B, 8B or if necessary 10B you can use. Show the object depth properly. Observe the light and shades on object. Where you can see the direct light, that parts you have to leave white. Our object isn't round shape, so make sure when you are doing shading, you have to shade according to that. Your object should look round. To make it feel round, you have to do shading according to that. Observe the shade and lights on the object. According to that, make it dark in necessary places. Always place your object where you are getting light from the one side. Then it will be easy to understand light and shades on the object. Observe fine lines and texture on the object and complete it in your drawing. After completing first object, we will go for our second object. Observe the shape and angle of the object. According to that, we have to notice the light and shades on the object. Observe and give shading properly. Use dark pencil where it's necessary. Whenever you are doing multiple object drawing, observe the placement properly. Distance in two objects and angle of the objects. You have to observe it properly and with a proper perspective view, you have to draw it properly. When your drawing is correct, then only it will look good. Even it will be easy to understand light and shades on the object. Make the shadow which is visible for you. At last, give finishing touch. Thanks for watching us.